Hello and welcome to this short video for IGCSE Marine Science. I will be going over the keywords here for section 1.3 of the syllabus. Again, if you're not used to reading science or marine science, the keywords are very important for you to learn and understand the syllabus. Understanding the keywords and understanding how they are defined will make everything else a lot easier. So the best way is, of course, to open your book and remember at the end of your book you'll find a list of all the keywords, but also a video like this might help you. So, as always, this video is made for my class, but anyone is more than welcome to use it, and any mistakes here are mine and mine alone. So, let's go. So, the world ocean are all our oceans, which are interconnected to inside circle the world. So this is both the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Southern Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean as one big ocean. Freshwater is water we have least of here on Earth, which is water that has a very low concentration of salt, which means it can be used for drinking and agriculture. Salt water is the water we find in the ocean, which all have a salt content, depending on where it is. It can be higher or lower, but around 3.5% of it is salt. So when we look at a location on our planet, we use a system of coordinates to form a grid enclosing the Earth. These coordinates help us to identify and locate places. Just like axes on a graph, this system has a reference line that act like a zero for the coordinates. And coordinates are latitude, which is the distance from the equator to the North Pole or the South Pole, on a scale where 0 is the equator and 90 degrees north is the North Pole and 90 degrees south is the South Pole. And longitude is the distance east or west from the prime meridian, on a scale where 0 is at the prime meridian and 180 degrees is on the opposite side of Earth from the prime meridian. And the prime meridian is a line from the North Pole to the South Pole that goes through the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, England. And when we look at the different lines of latitude, we can also see that we have the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle, which is a 66.5 degrees north or 66.5 degrees south. And we have the temperate zone, which goes, it's an area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. And the Tropic of Cancer starts at 23.5 degrees north, and the Tropic of Capricorn is at 23.5 degrees south. When we talk about the structure of the Earth, we talk about the geomorphology. And here in the ocean, there are a lot of names we need to know about. The continental shelf is a part of the continental plate extending from the coastline into shallow water with little or no slope. The continental slope is a steeper slope from the continental shelf to near the abyssal plain, and this is the edge of the continental crust where it meets the oceanic crust. Mid-ocean ridges are ridges that form where we have divergent tectonic plates. The abyssal plain is generally flat ocean floor at a depth between 3,000 to 6,000 meters, and it is the biggest ecosystem in our world. Ocean trenches are very long, deep depressions in the ocean floor. The deepest one, the Mariana Trench, reach about 11,000 meters down. And volcanic islands are volcanoes that continue to erupt to break above sea level and create islands. Volcanic islands and coasts are subject to erosion. Erosion is the wearing down of rocks by the wind, by rain, by snow, so that we'll have sediment going into the ocean.